Now, should I move on to the C? Right. That would be a problem. But the days you've actually worked on it is 7, right?
Yeah, just 7 actual days for the weather.
How this process started? As far as the Bull Durham
They
sign?
approached us actually about redoing it, or fixing it up, and so we talked to them about it. Thought, we had kind of investigated trying to fix it up, restoring it. We really didn't know, what we were doing. They actually approached us as we were talking about it, so it worked out pretty good timing-wise.
How did you come about seeing it? Was it covered up with a building before?
Yeah, we ripped the building down, and it was there. No one knew it was there, at least no one I know. We ripped the building down because it was leaning on our building, and it was there. Well, we knew it was so old, and it was from the 30s, we think, and it never saw sunlight. So we knew once we took that building down, it wasn't going to last too long. So we had to do something.